Look what we have, Raspberry Pi and Arduino. Fans, you're gonna love this. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter. And today we have this awesome product that receives the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. This kit is a must-have for any Raspberry Pi or Arduino fan. I'm going to try to go as fast as I possibly can because there is so much in this kit. Comes with 2 breadboards. Comes with an HDMI cable. It comes with a power supply with an on-off switch. Finally, somebody came up with that idea. It comes with a GPIO expansion board. This is the only component that is dedicated just to the Raspberry Pi. It also comes with 16 sensors. We're going to get to that momentarily. It comes with an HDMI to DB15 adapter. It also comes with an 1/8" jack for audio, RJ45 cable, a relay module board with 4 relays on it. This is very cool. Jumpers, male and female. This is the prototype plate, and your Raspberry Pi goes here like so. It comes with standoffs as well, and you can actually mount them over under each other like so. It also comes with a component kit. It comes with resistors, heat sinks for your Raspberry Pi. Comes with standoffs for your Raspberry Pi. Comes with 4 potentiometers. It comes with additional jumpers such as these. There's so many of them. You have an LCD display. You can mount this LCD display on for your projects. Comes with 6 buttons, 6 push buttons. Various amounts of green, white LEDs, green, yellow, white, red LEDs. Comes with the actual buttons that go on the electronic button itself. The sensors are unbelievable. So now, the first one is temperature humidity sensor, number 1. Number 2 is the human detection sensor module. Number 3 is the trickle charge timekeeping chip, the raindrop sensor module and potentiometer. 5 is the sound sensor module. Number 6 is the ultrasonic distance sensor module. Flame detection sensor. For number 8, we have laser transmitter module. The next on number 9 on the list, we have the photo sensor module, which is right here. The soil moisture sensor. Okay, next on the list, we have obstacle avoidance sensor. Number 12, we have the vibration sensor module. Number 13 is a smoke sensor module. This is 315 megahertz transceiver, I should say, module. So you have a receiver and a transmitter. Tilt sensor module. Last but not least, for number 16 is a single channel infrared tracing tracking sensor module. And that's what we have. So now what I want to show you real quick is that I built, this is like a bonus thing, I built a robot. This whole thing is done, I 3D printed the entire thing, okay? This was supposed to drop out rings into boxes, and this was the magazine. This happens to be running on an Arduino. So this has an Arduino, a motor shield, and I'm trying to remember what else this has. Oh, and that's the module for the photo sensor. So they're actually stacked with the Arduino. But I wanted you to see this because this is important. So if you're like me and you're into stuff to build, this is definitely the kit for you because you can do stuff like this, which is really cool. I really love doing videos for you guys. I truly enjoyed a lot. There'll be a subscribe button here, and I'm going to have 2 videos here for you guys to watch. Hopefully it's what you want to do, and continue watching my videos. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.